Yesterday we did Tadasana, right, left, bending, twisting, both sides, rotation, backward bend, forward bend. These movements we did yesterday. Today what we do is twist and bend. So what is there in twist and bend? Spread your hands, both arms, and twist like this from the waist region and bend. Look at the palm while exhaling. Inhale, come back, relax. Same process we do other side. So to your right, bend, look at the palm, come back and relax. Now the caution. Caution here is those who have back problem will not bend. They can bend backwards, but they will not do forward bend. That's the caution to be observed. Now next is twisting and rotation. So bend, inhale, up and exhale. This is called Sarvang Pushti. Rotation, and relax. इसमें क्या होगा, थोड़े से चक्कर आते हैं, तो जिनको चक्कर आते हैं वो नहीं करेंगे, और जिनको बैक पेन है वो आगे नहीं झुकेंगे, और जो कर पा रहे हैं वो दूसरी डायरेक्शन से भी करेंगे. वी डिड फ्रॉम राइट साइड एंड नाउ विल डू फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड. बेंड, लेफ्ट, ट्विस्ट एंड twist, bend, twist, bend, twist, bend, relax. चक्कर आते हैं तो शवासन में लेट जाएं. So these are the basic movements. What are those basic movements? Forward, backward, side, left and right, twist, one side, other side, bend, forward, backward. Now combination twisting and bending. We are twisting and bending. So this way and this way. This is what I want to say, the basic movements. Further exercises we'll be doing in the next video. This is GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruitment, and now doing the basic movements of the body so that there is flexibility and you keep your body fit. Thank you. Bye.